Today, Mini Spoon Asia is making Chinese egg puffs, also known as sa yung, a classic sweet treat loved in traditional Cantonese bakeries and dim sum restaurants. These golden, airy pastries are crispy on the outside, lightly coated with sugar, and soft and fluffy inside with a rich egg aroma. Freshly fried, every bite delivers the perfect mix of crunch, sweetness, and comforting homemade flavor that makes them hard to resist. Whether enjoyed as afternoon tea or dessert, these delicious egg puffs are simple, nostalgic, and perfect for sharing with family and friends over a cup of tea or coffee. Let's bring this popular Asian bakery favorite to life right in your own kitchen. Start by adding the butter and water into a pot over medium heat, allowing the butter to melt slowly as the mixture warms up. Once you see a gentle simmer, add all the flour in at once and immediately begin stirring quickly. Keep mixing until the dough comes together into a smooth ball and no longer sticks to the sides of the pot. Reduce the heat and continue cooking the dough for another minute or two. You may notice a thin layer forming at the bottom of the pot, and that's a good sign the dough is ready. Remove it from the heat and let it rest for a couple of minutes so it can cool slightly before adding the eggs. Now gradually add the eggs, mixing well after each addition. At first, the dough may look separated or lumpy, but keep stirring patiently, and it will slowly become smooth, glossy, and silky. This step is important because it helps create the light, airy texture inside the Chinese egg puffs after frying. Heat the oil to about 160 degrees Celsius, making sure the temperature stays gentle and steady. Using a spoon or your hands, carefully scoop small portions of dough into the oil, one at a time. Keep the heat low and fry them slowly, allowing the Chinese egg puffs to expand naturally as they cook. As they begin to puff up, you'll see them turn golden. The slow frying is what helps create that light, airy texture inside, while keeping the outside crisp and delicate. Once they are evenly golden brown, remove them from the oil and let the excess oil drain for a few moments. While they are still warm, generously coat them with sugar. For the best Chinese egg puffs, there are a few simple tips. Try not to rush the frying process by turning the heat too high, because the outside can brown too quickly while the inside stays undercooked. A slow and gentle fry helps the egg puffs expand properly and creates that light, airy texture inside. When adding the eggs into the dough, do it gradually and mix well each time. This helps create a smoother, silkier batter that fries up beautifully. And finally, always coat the fried egg puffs with sugar while they are still warm. If they cool down too much, the sugar won't stick properly. To make about 6 delicious Chinese egg puffs, you'll need 60 grams of butter, 170 milliliters of water, 120 grams of all-purpose flour, 3 eggs, some white sugar for coating, enough cooking oil for deep frying. The estimated calories for the entire batch of 6 Chinese egg puffs is around 1,180 calories in total. That works out to approximately 197 calories per piece. If you enjoy crispy, comforting Asian snacks, this homemade Chinese egg puff is definitely something you should try. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mini Spoon Asia for more easy and tasty Asian recipes from across the region. See you in the next video.